Tell them I'm the strongest soldiers, got the hardest fight. Gambia.
VM International.
We the bun pon the corner. Man, no chat to informer. My biggest forward in the music. Travel all over the world. And me never get a forward, so big it in my life. Gambia. So when me get the call, I say Gambia. Me say right again. Forward again.
Full of girl like my cousin Bob Marley. See the phone there, be a girl like Carly. Girl say me fresh Roberta have left it there.
VM International.
What is so special about Gambia? Because we know Jamaica is big in terms of the size, the population, the economy. But what is so special about the Gambia that keep you coming here to celebrate with the Gambians?
Remember, Gambia is a smiling coast. Happy people, loving people. I love the Gambians.
That's
and
right.
I love Jahmie.
VM International.
Tranka bu pitu di se kenya se. Gintis fala di kuma boy pe ami se. Kabu easy tanya de rusano ponto je. Na level 10 ponto di je de.
That's where we come from, West, West Africa.
That's right.
When you check, with history of the slavery, them grab it from Yassa. So I feel like we come from Yassa. If I'm Yassa or Ghana. So any phone call to Gambia, you know what I'm saying? We're there to perform and represent for ancestors.
VM
Tell them
International.
I'm the strongest soldiers, got the hardest fight. Gambia.
Watch it anytime on a VM International. Dunia B, ala moy, alia follow from Facebook to YouTube.
Always like, comment, subscribe, and turn the notification bell only on YouTube. Don't forget to like our Facebook page, VM International.
Greetings from the smiling coast of Africa. And once again, you're watching live on VM International TV. It's VM Show, and I am your host by the name VM Trawale, popularly known as VM International to the world. Today, I'm here with one of the biggest celebrities all across the world. First of all, we have Jahmiel in the building, all the way from Jamaica. And of course, we have the Stylo G, and of course, my brother from Guinea-Bissau, including so many of them. But what we're going to do, because we all know that tomorrow is going to be exceptional because they will be at Q City on the 4th of January and they will be performing live to celebrate the 16 years anniversary. But as the saying goes, what is important is for you to hear from them. Let me start it from my right-hand side. Introduce yourself to the people and tell us exactly what are we expecting from you tomorrow.
Stylo G, and you don't know, madness, craziness, isn't it? Yeah, madness. Run up on stage and, excitement. If you're not coming to make noise, stay home.
So we had it right. Can you please introduce yourself over there?
Yeah man, lavish. Don't know. Tomorrow excitement, energy. Yeah, that be energy.
Thank you so much. Yes, kindly introduce yourself.
Jahmiel, man, aka the great man. You don't know, forward out for some inspiration, man, positive inspiration, and you don't know, energy same way, because you know when me I do my show, them, I give them all time.
I can see that in your eye.
Yeah, that's one.
Yes, introduce yourself.
Yeah, show boy original gangs a billionaire. Then you touch forth. Tomorrow.
So Gambians, I hope you are ready, and of course, this is a global show. The reason why they came here in the Gambia because they have been celebrating, but this time around they decided to come to the smiling coast of Africa. First of all, let me ask you this question: what really inspired you people to come in the Gambia and celebrate the 16 years anniversary with the Gambians and with the people from Africa?
Gambia, biggest forward in the music. Travel all over the world. And me never get a forward, so big it in my life. Gambia. So when I get the call, I say Gambia. I say right again. Forward again. And that's where we come from, West, West Africa.
That's right.
When you check, with history of the slavery, them grab it from Yassa. So I feel like we come from Yassa. If I'm Yassa or Ghana. So any phone call to Gambia, you know what I'm saying? We're there to perform and represent for ancestors. Yeah.
That's right. And Jahmiel, can you tell us why do you choose to come again? What really inspired you to come again?
The love. Gambia is home. There's whenever I touch upon the soil in a Gambia, man, there's a different feeling where, come over me and
And what is so special, like, what is so special about Gambia? Because we know Jamaica is big in terms of the size, the population, the economy. But what is so special about the Gambia that keep you coming here to celebrate with the Gambians?
Remember, Gambia is a smiling coast. Happy people, loving people. I love the Gambians.
That's
and
right.
I love Jahmie.
Thank you so much. Yeah, what is your message? And tell us what really inspired you to come as well.
Yeah, lu mu doon wax rek. Fii dama am nobles. Nobles sama like brothers. Am nga. The first time they come to Guinea, maa leen yóbbu si sama concert.
Yeah.
Biggest concert with like 45,000 people. You know, seen concert tamit ma ñëwut fii am nga. Affaire amitié la quoi. Yeah.
That's
Moo may
right.
indi fii quoi.
That's
Yeah,
right.
Gambia c'est second house for me quoi.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much. And then we go down to our humble man over there.
Go up.
Yes, so
You go up.
yes,
Keep it up, keep it up.
keep it up.
Yeah.
Don't
Yeah.
go down.
Well, you don't know, say, every Jamaican dream for one forward Africa team. You see me, I say, every Jamaican, every yard man want to reconnect back with that, with the continent and them thing. You see me? I don't know, the promoter, I know him for many years, and the dog say, yo, forward, I'm just take the opportunity, I'm there. You see that?
Thank you so much. And now today, this is very special. For the first time in history, it's happening. We're having international artists coming together. For the first time, it's happening. How do you see that energy? And what are the expectations that we're going to expect from all of you on stage, on one stage at Q City?
As I said before, energy. But to have Jahmiel, you know, and Aswad and Lavish as an upcoming artist, just we have to do when you see the crowd, you have to do your job. And the energy what the people give you in Gambia when you're performing, you have to give them 150 to 200. So as I said, we're gonna go hard, man. You know, run up and down on stage, jump up and down, weed a bun on the corner, man, no chat to informer. Yeah.
I love that. I love that, you know. Bombo clad. So we'll come back to you. Anyway, it's nice. Jahmiel, how are you going to feel performing with him alongside with the international artists with you, and also give us a freestyle that Gambians love your voice and they believe that your voice fight for social, the voice of the voiceless. So
Definitely,
let's
man.
go.
Remember Stylo G, I'm a brother, you know. You see what I say? Stylo G, wicked performer. I'm my first time I share stage with Aswan, but I've seen a few videos. Great artists. You see what I say? So you have upcoming artists. So you name again, G? Lavish, you don't know. 4 up on one stage and not normal. You see what I say? So the Gambians them can just look out for your exceptional show. You see what I say? What about 4 artists who are gonna come give them all
Oh my God.
in a one space, not normal. Tell them I'm the strongest soldiers, got the hardest fight. Gambia.
Yeah, it's the first time for me. For me, it's like I don't know how to say that in English. My English is so broke. Yeah, dama happy trop. Am nga parce que ñi for me is inspiration. Am nga. Ñun suñu culture dafa awa different.
That's right.
Ba seen music day dem foofu am nga. Yeah, lolo for me.
You love it.
Yeah, I love it. Tranka bu pitu di se kenya se. Gindis fala di kuma boy pe ami se. Kabu easy tanya dedu sano ponto je. Not level 10 ponto di je de.
This is so sweet. And finally, let's have you.
Yeah, man, tomorrow, not just forward and come here, we have to say still, but I mean, say, for a girl like my cousin Bob Marley, say the phone there, be a girl like Carly. Girl, I say, me fresh, I better talk have left it there, sir.
Thank you so much. Finally, we're about to go, but before we go, this question is very important, especially to Gambian artists and Gambian musicians across different regions. Jahmie, you have been coming here severally, but we have never seen you having collabo with some of our Gambian artists like ST, Gisul, Attack, and other stuffs. So, yeah.
We're working on it. We're definitely working on it. No joke.
Really?
Yeah,
With who?
man.
With who?
I'm not mention it, man, but we're working on it.
Are you working on it?
Me have a song with ST already, right?
Already.
Swago.
That's fine. So what is your message now? What is your general message and what is going to be your advice on people on stage? And then what is your general message to all Gambians?
Big up Gambia, I love you know. I feel like you want too much right now.
Thank you.
See, boss, right?
Thank you. What about you?
Big up the Gambians and make sure you come out tomorrow. Q City is the place to be.
That's
Patriots.
right. Finally.
Quisity. Touch
So finally, we are going, audience. This is to tell you that Gambians are ready. You can see all these people came purposely to welcome Jahmiel, Stylos, and then so many people. So we are ever ready to entertain, to inform, to enlighten. So keep following and don't forget to share this video because it's a message for you and it's a message for the general audience. Stay tuned till we come on your way next time. I say au revoir, love you, bye bye.
Anytime on a VM International, Dunia B, Ala Moy, Alia follow from Facebook to YouTube.
Always like, comment, subscribe, and turn the notification bell only on YouTube. Don't forget to like our Facebook page, VM International.